Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And it's Tuesday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look at Triangulo. Yeah, I think we've seen this movie before, or have we? So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, paki-subscribe na lang po, like this video, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And yes, it's a familiar title pero it's not what it seems. Kung akala mo ito ay same plot ng Tatsulok, tatlong hanggang dulo or nakalimutan ko anong subtitle nun, nagkakamali ka. So Triangulo is a movie starring Sky Gonzaga, Vern Kay, and Marco Mero. Ano yun? Marco Mora. Kala ko Mark Mero eh. With Astrid Lee and Rome Ginto on the supporting cast. So what is fascinating about this is I think this is Sky Gonzaga's last Viva Max outing for a while kasi nagpalit siya ng pangalan sa Facebook niya as Mira. Mira Gonzaga. I think that's her going to be her. I think that's her real name, hindi na screen name or it's a new screen name. But nevertheless, this could be her swan song sa BMX. So if you want some Sky Gonzaga recommendation, there is Pintor Paraluman, Tatsulok, Kiskisan, really good movies in her resume. So, what is Triangulo? Well, it's Tatsulok. Okay? The synonym is Tatsulok. Three. It comes in three. Pero, ang point dito is yung dulong salita ng triangulo. Gulo. Kasi ang gulo ay galing sa outside forces. Wow! Ano yung outside force na to? Yung nanay ni Vern Kay, ni Irene. So Vern Kay plays the role of Irene, an office lead. Okay? And she is pressured by her mother to bore a child. And her mother is a bit of a traditionalist. You will hate her mother so much in this movie. It's crazy. Okay? They did a good job making yung nanay ni Vern Kay na unlikable, na to the point na kasusuklawan mo talaga siya. Ayun. So, bakit unlikable yung nanay ni Vern Kay? Well, una sa lahat, gusto ni Vern ng una lahat ng approval sa kanyang nanay. Asian parent kasi. And the approval ng nanay, yung nanay ayaw sa relationship niya with Anya, played by Sky Gonzaga. And gusto ng nanay niya na magkaroon ng apo. So, kailangan magkaroon ng anak itong si Vern Kay. Ang problema, si Vern Kay saka si Sky Gonzaga, hindi XY chromosome yan eh. Okay? And due to work pressure na rin, kasi meron siya mga ka-opisina, sina Dave at Johanna, na nagtalik sa office. Ewan ko kung bakit pinahintulutan yon. Pero, wala nangyari na. So, nagtalik sila sa office, nabuntis ni Dave si Johanna, at nagkwentuhan sila. Dito naman, pikon naman to si Irene kasi hindi siya mabuntis-buntis, di ba? And, dito naging desperado tuloy. Hindi naman sa gusto magkabata ni Irene, pero ang kwento dito, the story is, Irene wants to make her mother proud. Okay? And we've been all through that challenge, to be honest, and it's really tough na we get some proud parents along the way. Let me just adjust the volume here ng konti para may gameplay naman tayo. So with uh, with that, nagpropose si Anya ng way. First is to do ang tawag doon, sperm bank, kukuha ng sperm bank, i-inject si Irene. ng similya and para mabuntis. However, it failed. So the second way is the most desperate measure. Maghanap sila ng lalaki na papayag na nakangkangan si Irene. At nakuha natin dito si Miggy, played by Mark Mora, Mark Mayo. O yun. So si Mark Comora, kinanyag na si Irene. Nabuntis nga ba? Kalimutan ko, hindi pala. Ano. Nabuntis nga ba? Syempre, hindi. Okay? And na-reveal na kaya pumayag itong si Miggy kasi ex siya ni Anya. Okay? At ang condition para magtalag si Miggy kay Irene magtalag sila ni Anya. So nagtalag si Anya sa si Miggy. And then, fate would have it, ang nabuntis ay itong si Anya. At nagtaka itong sa Irene. At syempre, yung Shota, si Irene, galit kasi nag-tridor eh. Ikaw pa naman ang usapan nyo magano, di ba? Tawag doon kangkangan lang na to the max. Tapos di nyo pa magawa. Syempre magagalit ka. Another thing to imagine sa sitwasyon ni Irene is napilitan siya eh. Okay? Kahit anong gusto nyong ibanat sa karakter ni Bird Kay is napilitan pa rin siya na gusto magkaanak. Ayaw niya magkaanak. Okay? Kaya nga siguro diba? Kaya nga siguro pinili niya na Teka lang ha. Nahihirapan ako. Okay, start tayo. Pinili magkaanak. Gusto niya babae eh. Ngayon, nalaman niya si Anya buntis. Siyempre, nagalit siya. Tapos, nag-threesome yung tatlo. Yun ang solution. Papalaki nila yung anak ni Anya as anak ni Irene sa ni Anya, hindi anak ni Irene sa Miggy. Pero parang silang tatlo maging magulang. Siyempre, galit yung nanay ni gago yun eh. Yung nanay ni Irene. Traditionalist yun eh. Pero sinagot naman ni Irene eh. It's not about tradition. It's not about what you want. It's about what the daughter wants, di ba? Yun. Natapos ang kwento ng triangulo na umiiyak or disappointed yung nanay ni Irene kasi di niya na-gets yung yung nangyari yung sira yung parang motherhood nilang dalawa. Wait ba ganun no? Okay, ko. So, what's next on the BMX platform? So, BMX, they're gonna have the sequel to Selena's Gold. Yes, it's confirmed na magiging sequel siya ng Selena's Gold kasi may mga hints ng Selena's Gold dun sa Victoria Silver. And yes, I would believe for this movie, it's alright. It has a decent story naman. I would say it's still mid, to be honest, pero what can I say? Okay? What can I say? Triangulo, it's a good movie for the swan song of Sky Gonzaga in BMX. And I believe it's one of the better executed short films in a while sa Viva Max. But it's not enough. It's not gonna be peak. I'm gonna say it's in the middle of weekend peak. So yeah, on Friday we're gonna do Victoria Silver, the sequel to Selena's Gold. It is implied talaga na sequel siya ng Selena's Gold kasi parang sa trailer, sinabi ni Christine Bermas, tandaan daw yung memory nila ni Selena. Ayun. So, I don't know. I don't know how they will, connect it to Selena's Gold. Okay? I should take a look at the cast ng Victoria Silver, to be honest. Para magkaalaman kung konektado sila sa Selena's Gold o hindi. Pero yeah, that's it. That's your God Gamer review of Selena's Gold. That's your God Gamer reviews Triangulo. What do you all think? What do you guys think? Is it peak or is it weak? Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of our full review. This is the God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bye.
You better not get my trust. Who dares get between me and Lord Satan? My blade is already